Hello, as it is my birthday today, I had the honor to open one of the first Microsoft Surface Duo phones in Belgium. It's a great phone, and as you can see, it's also delivered in a great box, a little bit the Apple way. So I will open it right now. So this is the phone. As you can see, it's really great quality. It can be opened like this, so you have a dual screen. It can be flipped over completely. It can be used as a phone, of course, like this, but it's delivered in a package, and so it's delivered with the earbuds, as you can see here. Also, which is nice with this phone, I will put it here, is that in the box you will find also a duo bumper box. So it's a protection directly for your phone. So very nice, one kit to have it all. Of course, I need to put it on later on. But a very nice phone. So if you need some help in the future or you want to buy one, just give a call to one of my sales colleagues and we'll assist you as soon as possible. Bye.